To get started, first download the free OverDrive Media Console mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. If you are not able to access the Google Play Store from your device, see a librarian for assistance in downloading the app from the OverDrive website. When the app finishes downloading to your device, tap to open it. The OverDrive Media Console mobile app will display. Now you will need to add a library to check out e-audiobooks from. For Apple devices, tap the menu button in the top left corner. For Android devices, tap the OverDrive app icon in the top left corner. For both device types, the screen will slide right to display the app's menu on the left. Tap Add a Library from the menu options. Type Allegheny County Library or the zip code of your local library branch into the search box and then tap Search. Find the Allegheny County Library System on the list and tap to select it. Allegheny County Library System will now appear on your screen as shown. Tap the star next to Maryland's Digital Library to turn it yellow. This will make Maryland's Digital Library appear when you tap Get Books in the future. Now tap Maryland's Digital Library to begin searching for e-audios. Before you search for e-audios, log into the site by tapping Sign In on the top right side of the screen. This will enable you to see Advantage titles available from your region as well as the e-audios available from the statewide collection. On the sign-in screen, type Allegheny in the box and select Allegheny County Library System from the list that appears. Next, type your 14-digit library card number and your PIN in the spaces provided. Tap Remember My Login information on this device to save your library card number for next time, and then tap Sign In. There are two ways to search for e-audiobooks. The first is by tapping one of the subject categories in the red banner at the top of the screen. If the type of book you like isn't listed, tap View More to see a more complete list. To see these subject categories on small screens, such as those on smartphones or 7-inch tablets, try turning your device sideways to expand the screen or tap the menu button. The second way to find e-audio titles is to tap in the search box at the top of the screen and enter title, author, or keywords. To make your search more effective, tap the Advanced Search link just below the search box. On the Advanced Search screen, you can search for particular titles or authors. You can also narrow your search to particular subjects, like mysteries or westerns, or decide to display only those e-audio titles that are available for checkout at this time. You should also limit your search to OverDrive MP3 audiobooks in the Format area. Once you have located the e-audio you would like to check out, tap its cover in the results list to open its item record. Then tap Borrow. You will be taken to your bookshelf on Maryland's Digital Library website. This will show all of the e-books and e-audiobooks you currently have checked out. Tap Download to download the e-audio onto the app to be able to listen to it. A message may appear to allow you to choose where to save the audiobook files. If so, tap OverDrive Media Console. The e-audio will begin to download to your bookshelf on the OverDrive Media Console mobile app. Depending on the size of the book and the number of audio files it contains, this process may take some time. You will see a number on top of the menu button in the top left corner of the screen. This number represents the number of audio files that remain to be downloaded. When the entire book has been downloaded onto the app, the numbers will disappear. To get to the app's bookshelf, tap the menu button and then tap Bookshelf. To open the book and listen to it, tap its cover on the app's bookshelf. While the e-audio is playing, you can place a bookmark at a particular place to be able to listen to it again later, or set the sleep feature so that the audiobook will automatically stop playing after a specific period of time has passed. Tap the pause button at any time to stop the playback. You can also return to the bookshelf or check out another book by tapping the menu button again. When your checkout period for an e-audio expires, the audiobook will no longer play and you will be prompted to remove it from your bookshelf on the OverDrive Media Console mobile app. If you would like to return an e-audio early for any reason, simply hold your finger on its cover in your bookshelf until you see a menu appear. Then tap Return. Next, confirm that you want to return the book by tapping Return again. This concludes the tutorial. Please visit the site often, as new titles are always being added. For additional assistance or questions, please contact your local library.